My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 MG ZS. This vehicle has done just over 43,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our touchscreen, we have our main features on the first page, which include charging, Apple and Android CarPlay, radio and navigation. On our second page we can access our energy management, air conditioning, BT phone, video and vehicle settings, and if we put the vehicle into reverse, our 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. We also have 3 different driving modes to choose from, starting with Sport, Normal and Eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.